Section 410 of the National Electrical Code addresses the specific requirements for lighting fixtures, lamp holders, lamps, and receptacles in various locations, including closed closets. The goal of these regulations is to minimize fire hazards associated with heat generated by luminaires and the storage of combustible materials, such as clothing. When installing luminaires in a closed closet, one must consider several factors to ensure compliance with the NEC. These factors relate to the type of luminaire, its location relative to storage space, and its listing for closet installation. The NEC defines specific zones within a closed closet where certain types of luminaires are permitted or prohibited. Firstly, surface-mounted or recessed incandescent luminaires with completely enclosed lenses or diffusers are permitted in specific zones provided they meet certain temperature requirements. These requirements ensure that the surface temperature of the luminaire does not pose a fire hazard. The NEC specifies minimum clearances between luminaires and storage spaces. Secondly, surface-mounted fluorescent luminaires are allowed in certain zones. As with incandescent luminaires, they must be installed so that there is sufficient clearance from storage spaces. Thirdly, light-emitting diode, or LED, luminaires are becoming increasingly common in closets. They generally produce less heat than incandescent or fluorescent luminaires, making them a safer option. However, they must still be listed for closet installation and comply with the clearance requirements. The NEC prohibits certain types of luminaires in closed closets due to their potential fire hazards. These include pendant luminaires and lamp holders. These types of fixtures are more likely to come into contact with stored items, increasing the risk of fire. It's essential to carefully consider the location of the luminaire within the closet. The NEC defines specific zones and prescribes where certain types of luminaires can be installed. Luminaires must be installed on the ceiling or on the wall above the door. The NEC mandates that luminaires installed in closed closets be listed for that specific application. This listing ensures that the luminaire has been tested and found suitable for the environment. The listing mark, typically from a recognized testing laboratory such as Underwriters Laboratories, or UL, indicates compliance. The NEC requirements for closed closet lighting are designed to mitigate fire hazards. To comply, electricians must carefully consider the type of luminaire, its location, and its listing for closet installation. Understanding the zone restrictions and clearance requirements is essential for safe and code-compliant installations. In the context of the NEC, luminaires installed in closed closets must adhere to specific requirements outlined in Section 410. These requirements aim to minimize the risk of fire by regulating the types of luminaires permitted and their placement within the closet space. The NEC defines 3 distinct zones within a closed closet for luminaire placement. Firstly, Zone 1 extends from the ceiling to a level 6 feet above the finished floor, or to the highest clothes hanging rod if it is higher than 6 feet. Within this zone, only certain types of luminaires are permitted. Secondly, Zone 2 is the area extending horizontally 3 feet from the edge of the doorway. This zone also has restrictions on the types of luminaires that can be installed. Thirdly, Zone 3 encompasses all remaining areas outside of Zones 1 and 2. The restrictions on luminaire types are less stringent in this zone. Within Zone 1, only surface-mounted or recessed luminaires with a completely enclosed lens or diffuser are permitted. These luminaires must be listed for closet installation to ensure they meet specific safety standards. Incandescent luminaires are allowed in Zone 1 if they are completely enclosed and listed for closet use. This enclosure prevents the escape of hot particles that could ignite nearby clothing. Fluorescent luminaires are also permitted in Zone 1, provided they are surface-mounted or recessed and have a completely enclosed lens or diffuser. Light-emitting diode, or LED, luminaires are increasingly popular for closet lighting due to their energy efficiency and low heat output. LED luminaires are allowed in Zone 1 if they are listed for closet installation and have a completely enclosed lens or diffuser. Pendant luminaires and lamp holders are strictly prohibited in all zones of a closed closet. These types of luminaires are more likely to come into contact with clothing, posing a significant fire hazard. The NEC requires that luminaires installed in closed closets maintain specific clearances from storage space. These clearances prevent clothing or other stored items from coming into contact with the luminaire, reducing the risk of fire. Incandescent luminaires must have a minimum clearance of 12 inches from the nearest storage space. Fluorescent and LED luminaires generally have lower heat output, allowing for reduced clearance requirements. The specific clearance requirements for these luminaires are typically specified in their listing and labeling. All luminaires installed in clothes closets must be listed for that specific application. This listing indicates that the luminaire has been tested and found suitable for use in a closet environment. The listing mark, typically from a recognized testing laboratory, provides assurance that the luminaire meets the safety standards outlined in the NEC. The NEC requirements for closed closet lighting are essential for preventing fires and ensuring the safety of occupants. By carefully selecting and installing luminaires in accordance with these requirements, electricians can create a safe and compliant lighting system. When planning a closet lighting installation, always consult the latest edition of the NEC and any applicable local codes. Understanding the zone restrictions, clearance requirements, and listing requirements is crucial for ensuring a safe and code-compliant installation. Furthermore, consider the specific needs of the closet and choose luminaires that provide adequate illumination without posing a fire hazard. LED luminaires are often a good choice due to their energy efficiency, low heat output, and long lifespan. Remember that proper installation is just as important as selecting the right luminaires. Ensure that all electrical connections are made properly and that the luminaires are securely mounted. If you are not comfortable performing the installation yourself, it is best to hire a qualified electrician. The National Electrical Code, specifically Section 410, provides detailed guidelines for installing luminaires in closed closets. The primary objective is to minimize the risk of fire caused by heat emitted from lighting fixtures igniting combustible materials such as clothing and other stored items. To comply with the NEC requirements, it is crucial to understand the permissible types of luminaires, their location within the closet, and necessary clearances. The code divides the closet space into zones, each with specific regulations for luminaire installation. Firstly, the area extending from the ceiling down to 6 feet above the floor, or to the level of the highest clothes hanging rod if higher, constitutes one zone. Secondly, a zone extends 3 feet horizontally from the doorway. Thirdly, the remaining space is considered a third zone. Within these zones, the NEC dictates the types of luminaires that can be used. Luminaires must be surface-mounted or recessed, with a completely enclosed lens or diffuser, and listed specifically for closet installation. This requirement ensures that the fixture is designed to minimize the risk of overheating and igniting nearby items. Incandescent luminaires are allowed if they are fully enclosed to prevent hot particles from escaping. Fluorescent luminaires must also be surface-mounted or recessed and have a complete enclosure. Light-emitting diode, or LED, luminaires are increasingly popular because of their energy efficiency and low heat generation. LED fixtures are acceptable, but they must also be listed for closet installation and have a complete enclosure. Pendant luminaires and exposed lamp holders are prohibited in all zones due to the high risk of contact with clothing. Clearances between luminaires and storage spaces are critical. The NEC mandates minimum distances to prevent overheating of combustible materials. Incandescent luminaires generally require a 12-inch clearance from storage, while fluorescent and LED fixtures may have reduced clearance requirements as indicated by their listing. The listing of a luminaire is a vital aspect of code compliance. The listing mark, typically from a recognized testing laboratory such as UL, indicates that the fixture has been tested and meets safety standards for closet installation. Always verify that the luminaire is listed for its intended use before installation. The NEC addresses several specific scenarios and considerations for closed closet lighting. It clarifies the types of devices that can be used and where they can be placed. It also outlines the installation requirements for these devices. Electrical connections must be made in accordance with NEC standards. Conductors must be properly sized and protected, and all connections must be secure. If you are unfamiliar with electrical work, hire a licensed electrician to ensure that the installation is safe and code compliant. Before starting any electrical work, Turn off the power at the circuit breaker to avoid electrical shock. Use appropriate safety gear such as insulated gloves and eye protection. In addition to the NEC requirements, local building codes may have additional regulations for closed closet lighting. Always check with the local building department to ensure compliance with all applicable codes. Understanding the NEC requirements for closed closet lighting is essential for ensuring safety and compliance. By following these guidelines, you can reduce the risk of fire and protect your home and family.